Hi, you dey fortunate say for this year, this is my first pidgin English video where I will talk about business you can start with 50,000 naira in Nigeria and businesses to start with 100,000 naira in Nigeria. If you never get paper where you want to take right, quickly grab that paper or use notepad for your phone to jot down the points. If you dey see my face for the first time, my name is Lucrative. I'm a business analyst, I'm a social media strategist, and a content creator. This channel will break down money making, money saving, money investing, everything money. The best thing you can do for me now to click that subscribe button and the like button especially, because you won't make this video reach other people, because I know say you be better person, you wish other people well, right? Let's go right into the video. But the first business, now business where you feel do with 50k. This business is very popular, but sometimes we really put eye for the business. Now waist and ankle ornaments business. That is waist bead. You dey see people they use waist bead. Lots of people they use waist bead, but you no go know because they know they show for clothes and they make person look very endearing. If your husband no like am, I beg no use am. But if you get husband will like am, or you yourself like am, you feel they use waist bead. The good thing about waist bead business is say people know they buy one waist bead, then they buy two, then they even buy three. You will see people the least they buy now 4, 6, 10, 12. You get they buy them in that kind of quantity. Waist bead business, you can make more than 200% as profit on your investment. How much is waist bead? Or they say one for 500 naira. Now it can't depend on the kind of waist bead. You get different, multiple kinds of waist bead. It depends. Some are 1,000 naira per one. Some are 1,500 per one. So I'm just telling you the basic price for the waist bead you see for market for bigger side bank. And the least you can get one waist bead now 500 naira. So one waist bead na 500 naira. Calculate am times 10, times 12, times 20 wey people dey put for waist. Waist bead na something wey Africans like so much. Nigerian men love waist bead. Let me tell you this. Forget say some people they tell you say maybe they do some things fetish. Nothing they fetish. It is our culture. It makes a woman look beautiful and endearing. And you say you like that kind of thing. So if it is your business to make women look beautiful, you like fashion business, guys, and you get 50k, if you start waist bead business, you will join am with ankle chain. Now that what you say, ankle bead the ring, it don't start to the ring back again. I went to an office and the lady was putting on an ankle bead, like multiple different colors. I was like, whoa, this is beautiful, right? I even complimented her. She was looking very poised, guys. She was looking elegant. So if you want to sell these things, there are places where you sell them. One, you feel they sell them for office if you they do 9 to 5. If you don't do 9 to 5, you feel just big person. Tell and say you go they pay them every day when they use a space or a space for near the shop. Maybe at the corner of that person's shop. Make sure say maybe the person when they sell fashion items too. Because you know the way women they feel the vexing, they sell that kind of thing when you start to sell well, you get. If you know if you do that one, look for supermarkets. Supermarkets say they rent space out these days or rent stand out. All the stands with the supermarket, nobody the supermarket get them. Sometimes the supermarket actually rents out some stands or some space where people come and put their stand and sell their own products right there. And you think the person is the staff of the supermarket. That is why sometimes when you ask person say, I won't buy Hollandia yogurts, the person could look for another person to call for that Hollandia yogurts. Like you can know say that person is not into the business of that supermarket. Now only your own business in the mind for that place. So now what do people they do now? Sometimes people they even rent space for compound of this major supermarkets, especially big supermarket like General, like Spar, and a host of them, Ibano, those kind of supermarkets. People rent spaces outside. So if you rent your own space, they pay small money and you go they cash out big time. They sell your bead ornaments for leg and for waist, and people could buy. This kind of business you will start with 50,000 naira in Nigeria this new year. You like that one? You never see anything. We will go number 2 business. The second business we could talk about now children toys and teddies. Yes, so children toys and teddies. I mean business this year. Lots of people they make money for this business, but they know they tell you how far, as in they still hide secrets from you. But for this video, we they break down everything. You see, if you get 50,000 naira, you first start this business. You can't do your own on high class. Guess what? Especially when you sell baby like this kind of teddy now, or the bigger ones, right? What you go do is you go soak inside powder soap, like plain and all those other powdery soap. You go leave them for some time, make all the dirty come out. You go use your hand, clean and well. After you clean and finish, you go soak them for water to rinse them. Make sure say you rinse them multiple times. Don't say the water will clear out, right? That is, you know go get water with the dirty. You see, after that you go carry and go your washing machine. No wash am for the washing machine. What you go do is you go put am for the spinner part of the washing machine. You go spin the teddies. Guys, the teddy go dey dry. You understand? Overspin am because if you overspin am, it go squeeze too much. Just spin am small. Make the water take come out. So that when you dry am, sun dry am. If sun too heat am, e fit too white. Okay? But if you air dry am, The thing go dey okay, the color go dey very new. You can't go buy all this transparent nylon. You go get that transparent nylon for this video, but I no get am. So guys, no worry, I will still show you for another video. You see all this transparent nylon where you dey put cloth, you dey put book, you dey put, there are different things where they put for this nylon. You can't put the teddy there, you can't package am. Guys, if you sell this kind of teddy, if you sell them for schools, if you sell them for workplaces, if you sell them for shops, you fit even get your own stand. Like I talk say, you fit get stand for supermarket, if you get that kind of stand, they sell teddies for children. Parents, when they come supermarket, come buy things, go start to look that teddy stand. Before you know it's their children go say, Mommy, Mommy, I want one. Mommy, I want the one with the cap. And so, you don't start to sell for that place be that. But the best thing is say, really they sell for the compound of the supermarket. So that the people who get supermarket, nobody too put eye for your business. You get that kind of thing. Go sell your own outside. Go cash your money. Cool cash. On toys, you feel even make up to 500% on toys because they're fairly used. Fairly used. Now, if you wash and well package and well, you go fit sell them for better price. You go make good money on top. And you say you like that kind of business idea. That one na 50k. The first one too na 50k. This one too na 50k. Now we go talk about 100k business. The next beautiful business where you fit start with 100,000 naira in Nigeria this year. Now, pants, bra, and ghetto business. See, forget as you dey look at this business before. This business they make correct money. I don't talk about this business multiple times. Forget say ladies know they wear bra again. Still, if they go certain places, they go still wear that bra. Okay, the least bra if you get now 5,000 naira. That is for ladies with average group size. For ladies who get bigger sizes, you dey see bra of 15k, 20k, 30k, 50k, 60k. Now one bra, no be say you plenty. So now you will know how you want position yourself. Whether na brand new bra you want sell or na fairly used bra you want sell. The most important thing is you dey sell better bra. If you want to go for fairly used bra, then you go grade am so that people will pay you better money for better grade. And if you want to go for brand new bra, no say you get the money to do the business. 100k dey okay for that business. Pants, you know if you sell fairly used now, you go sell them for brand new. So charter those pants, charter cotton pants, polyester pants, fashion pants, 90 pants, you know what I'm talking about, different kinds of grade. That one for one side. Then you go charter ghetto. Because these days, ladies they move around with ghetto. No be say all those kind of olden days ghetto. Ghetto wey be say go be like clothes wey they wear inside their body. Something wey they sew with their body. Now so these ghettos they be. You go make their waist very, very snatched. You get one of these actresses where I like this. She gets small bow leg like this. She know they tall. She dey snatch her waist all the time. Now those kind of ghetto, people like that they wear. Those ghetto no go show say you too do. Go just dey good wey say people go dey admire you. People they buy those ghettos these days. So invest in ghettos like that. People will buy them from you. Another thing would be nightwear. People they buy nightwear well. You get some sweet colors where people they buy. For instance, red. People love red when it comes to 90s. And they love purple, like deep purple. Guys, that one is a story for another day. But on this business, they make correct money. You feel turn over that business 100% in no time. Guys, if you want to do on this business, you feel do on this business, you feel get up to 200% return on investment. It depends on the category of shade you go for, and you go still make up to 100%, at least 100%. No, you feel make 200%, but at least 100% on shades. They sell from one person to another. You feel do am as a business where you say you go dey sell am for one corner for people store. Like that one where I tell you say this supermarket, you feel approach supermarket, so go create your own stand for that supermarket and start to dey sell your own this day. Don't let it go pressure you at all. And that kind of thing said they like because they don't feel do everything. You see, that is why businesses they come hand in hand, they partner together to make things happen. The most important thing they say, when people they come that place, they say, they sell bra here, they sell waist bead here, they sell children's stuff here, they sell food stuff here, they sell this here, they sell that here. They see it as a one-stop store. So it will bring more people to them. Even though they feel just get half of the businesses we did there. They feel get 3/4 of the businesses we did there. Not be all the business their own. But the effect of people renting that space and bringing their own businesses and also sticking by the rules and regulations being given by those stores. Yeah, because you have to do that. Those things, they make people wait there outside come that place. They go, they tell you, say, if you go to so store, you go see everything you define. And people don't like to do waka waka. Okay, you want to get yogurt, you go here. You want to get food, you go here. You want to get no. Everybody wants to get things in one place as long as the price is affordable. The only thing that makes people go up and down, they say the price not be affordable. Don't cost for this place. Now go buy and here. If your price they reason, now people go they refer people to that place to come with you. You go sell tire. Another business where they seriously move with the glasses business, whether reading glasses or fashion glasses, sunshades and the likes of them, all these glasses category, guys, it's really moving waves. Lots of people are having issues with the eye. The moment you clock the age of 39, 40, you start having issues with your eye. You're being advised to not go into the sun without your sunshade. Now, so opticians, the advice person, when you know they look sun directly, bright light, when you know just the entire face directly. So if they come out, you go guys wear shades, right? No, they say those people just won't make shakara. Now, health conditions, they make them do those things. Aside that, people love sunshades for fashion. It elevates your dressing, makes you look stepped up. We all want that class, that social dressing, that's, difference. And when it comes to reading glasses are in vogue, especially the well-designed one. Now, if you want to go into this kind of business, may you listen to me well. If you won't go into this kind of business, you will succeed. You go guys look for very unique shades, very unique glasses. Those kind of glasses, they know they put price around, no price tag, because if you reach here, you will just see and come on. So you'll feel sell very better prices. As at the top they go, so right now, I enjoyed this video. I was on Lagos Island recently. I wanted to get a shade, and it's a designer shade. The exact designer shade I saw online for 30,000 naira. I saw it on Lagos Island for 10,000 naira. As in, I had to go back. I carry on. I open my phone again because I don't eye that shade for a long time. I open my phone again to check saying the same shade that they hold. I check all the body. You understand? So they go snap the pictures so that you will see the kind of shade where it be. You will see the beauty. You will know what it is like. So I can't carry that shade. I put them side by side. Guys, now the same shade. Fine, I'm not trying to fault those people who they sell them for 30k. Now their business that they do, right? What they try to tell you, they say, if you do the same thing, if you buy these shades, maybe they sell them for better prices. What they say, people know if you question it because they're unique. That particular shade where I go for, now very unique shade. What they say, you don't go ever know the price. It's not common. Now when you want to use things where they involve, things where they common, everybody know the price. But if you use the things we know they involve, we know they common, we just they unique and classic. People no go do the price. Now you the seller, now you go know how much you want to sell. This same business too, you feel go approach supermarkets. Aside from selling it online, if you are looking for profitable business ideas online, shades business are one of them. Shade business you go make correct money from. People no go even believe say they make that kind of money. Forget now one business we say people they make good money, but they know they allow them. You feel sell them for your office. You feel sell them to your friends and family. You feel constantly go collect stand for one of these supermarkets. Get a space, get a show glass, right? If you want to sell anything, you won't make correct money from. You self must be ready to brand that thing. So with 50,000 naira, you feel buy your products. With another 20, 30,000 naira, you feel create a show glass. But remember, say if you won't sell for correct places and you won't get correct money, you don't feel just go buy shade because they sell casing too. It's different from the shades, right? Now you go come buy the two, you join them, you buy all those designer shades. That is, you go buy the one with they branded, you go buy the one with they unbranded because some people don't like the things with the branded. People go to buy, as they buy, you go know the things where people like more, whether not the branded one or the unbranded one. But believe me, Nigerians like branded stuff. If for instance the shade where you buy now 2,000 naira from where you buy, and that case now 500 naira, you put that shade now you feel sell them for 4,000 naira or 5,000 naira. That case you feel sell them for 1,000 naira. Now you add them together. You tell your customer say, you're going to buy it different. No, you don't do that. What you go do is say you don't add the money for your mind. So you will sell them together. That one now where you won't sell for 4k and 1k. You will just sell and sell at 5k. Now the price with this. You will tell and sell at 7k. Now the price with this. Now you know say now plus and minus you do. That one are your own business. So now so people they take make money for this Niger. If you no shine your eye, you no go make money. You go see money around you. You know if you take opportunity. Opportunity no dey wait for person also. You need to be prepared to get the opportunity. And because you're watching this video, I believe you're prepared. Now it's for you to implement the things we learn for this video. I bet make you know what's time. So the best way you do for me for this video, now to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure say you share them if you be a better person. If you be a better person, you will share this video to people because many people they cash trapped, they don't get money and they don't get vision. They don't know what to do with their lives. They feel say this na 50k what you go do, this na 100k what you go do. Now grandma money I beg. If I get like 1 million naira, I will start business. Tell them say no be true. Share this video with them. I don't do video. Businesses you can start with 5,000 naira. Businesses you can start with 500,000 naira. Businesses you can start in millions. All these businesses, they my playlist. Just look for video where you like pass and you can enjoy them. It's in your own interest to do this for this year because it is important. Make our brain they work well to know when opportunity will come. You don't feel know when opportunity know the enough person to say my name is opportunity. Now the things where you know when you don't consume, now you will take use as opportunity when it comes. The next business I want to talk about now the popular shawarma and natural drink business. You see, this business not they go anywhere. In fact, in the last 3 months, 2 other persons don't open for my junction area. Waiting happen. And yet everybody they sell their own. At least between my own junction and where I buy shawarma, which is not far from my place, I get like 5 persons with the sell shawarma. And the guy with the sell for me, they sell tiger nut drink with her. So there's no day where I go there where I go buy tiger nut, because I would think, say, if I buy only shawarma, I won't go use water, the drink. You get that kind of thing. So I won't buy something with the elevate, like tiger nut drink, right? That is if I'm not doing wine. Right? So this kind of thing, they very profitable. You see, people they do shawarma business, they tell you say that they make 200% on their business. Now, not be the ingredients, now they're expensive. To buy the mayonnaise, to buy the ketchup, to buy chicken fillet, that is chicken breast. Some people know they even buy chicken breast, they just go buy soft chicken. To buy vegetable oil, to buy one lemon, how many lemon oils? To buy shawarma bread, to buy cabbage, carrots. Some people they put cucumber, that's the inside of the cucumber, but that is not even important, right? Some people don't even know whether you put it or not. To buy sausage, those things not they expensive. If you won't start with 30,000 naira, if now the things where you go use as ingredients, the thing will be expensive. Now the machine where you go use, the gas where you go use, and with 100k you go start this business. But you go need space to start them. So when you go to all these big supermarkets, you will say for this video I emphasize big supermarkets. Some people don't know say they fit get space for big supermarkets. Instead of you using your money to go rent shop outside, some of these big supermarkets they give at a very considerable rates. Every month, now monthly payment. And you don't necessarily say that place they clean. Some of them, they don't go even tell you say they clean the place. They go tell you say they pay cleaner. One go clean the place well. So that you now nobody fight saying now this one go clean the place, now this one go clean the place. That is why you fit enter big supermarkets like Gendo, Ibano, Spa, and you don't go know whether now them get the whole thing 100% or not be them get the whole thing 100%. You don't feel no, because it's well coordinated. Now so they do. So now you we know what you want to do. Some of you feel say that place go dey expensive. Me you say in a junction if you do. But the reason why me I dey like those places, see they did touch. Like I don't like to buy roadside shawarma because of the dust and whatever externalities will be associated with it. I like to buy shawarma in a decent environment, somewhere where hygiene could be their priority, right? Now that kind of place with me I like to buy. So if I see what they sell for all those kind of big supermarket, their compound, where I see as you take do things, I see your environment see it, I'll feel buy for that kind of place, even though it's still day around the road, right? But it shows that you still get class, you still consider people hygiene. And with these 5 business ideas, I believe say I don't help you this year to start off something with 50,000 or 100,000 naira. So that 50k will inside your account when you use that job when you do, when you pack your 100,000 naira, guys, use and start this business. So what are you wait for? Please share this video to your family and friends. I give you for free. Just share them. I know collect money. Okay. And guess what? To like this video, not free too. To subscribe, na still free. You see, say I like you. So you to show me love. Maybe put them for comment section. Say, make I put more videos on businesses to start with 50k or 100k if you need more video. Now that one will make me know say you follow this video to the end. Put them, write them for video. Say, I did enjoy this video. That one will make me happy. I will do more research on businesses to start this year. So it gets some people who I want to celebrate for this channel. This year, as this year they start, I want to celebrate different people within my community. But make I pick one of them this month so that another video I could pick another one. This week's community celebrity member of Fobi Finance channel is Rocky Duruchukwu. Thank you for joining our YouTube community. Thank you for believing in us. We'll continue to do better. We'll not disappoint you by God's grace, because God is our source and backing, and we know we'll not disappoint you. Thank you for joining our community. Rocky Duruchukwu is blessed by joining our community. You are going to benefit. There are lots of perks. You'll be the first to see any video that I post. Yeah, you also have the chance to have a one-on-one connection with me, one-on-one business talks with me, consultation with me. When you join my channel, there are other perks that you will discover the moment you click the join button. When you know the wisdom, click that join button today. Those members will follow me reach this year. God will let me bless on them. And very soon, myself, I will do giveaway to bless on them for that same group. Okay? But ultimately, now God blessing they could pass. God will let me bless on and go along later in life. Now, if you want videos like this, you want me to do more videos in PG, can you please put it in the comment section? I would love that, and it will encourage me to do more. If you're looking for more videos in PG, I get some for my playlist, so go check them out. People love those videos, they'll be small. And the ones where they do for English too, people still love them more. So go there and they break things down, even for English, if I they speak English. I know they still use big grammar. You go understand money making, money saving, money investing with simple English. Well, take break down. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share it. And I would advise you, make you watch these videos next.